Hey guys, today I want to do a quick review and full unboxing and testing of the WOLFBOX. This is the MegaFlow 24 Pro. So we're going to do a review and we're going to see everything that comes in the box. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the WOLFBOX W24 here. So this is an air compressor and tire inflator from Amazon. And WOLFBOX is a very reputable brand, so I'm expecting very good things here. We've got a little guide, and then we've got the typical kind of WOLFBOX case. So this is perfect because you can stick this directly into your trunk, so you always have this ready to go, and the parts just aren't flying all over the place. Coming inside of here, we have a few different accessories. So on the left side, we have our air pump, as well as a charging cable, and then some other needle accessories right there. And then we have the main unit, and holy crap, this thing is a monster. I've reviewed a lot of these portable jump starters, and this is by far the biggest one I've ever seen. Let me give you guys a close-up look on the big screen here. So very, very cool looking. I love that they use the clear plastic so you can actually see the circuitry in there. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this turned on. Similar to the old ones, you can set the PSI to different numbers based on preset settings. So let's see here. If I hit this button, it's going to change the actual unit of the PSI. So now it's bars, kPa, etc. You can also switch. You can use the plus and minus here to manually adjust the actual PSI that you want for the set categories. Now, if you hit the mode button up here, there you can see we're going like basketball would be 8 PSI, whereas a car would be 36 PSI. So here in a second, we will actually plug this into my vehicle. But other than that, you do have a light on the top right there. This is what the bottom looks like, which would be where you get your charge, USB-C. And that's about it for this unit in terms of accessories. Your air pump and stuff are also plugged in on the top right there by the light. So let's go ahead and blow up some tires and see how that works. So I've read my tire manual and it states that I need 34 PSI. So again, we'll go in here and change the car setting down to 34. Super easy to do, and that way I'm not going to overinflate them. You definitely don't want to do that. And then from here, you want to just remove your tire caps, put this on, latch it down, and then we should be able to just hit the middle button. So let's see how fast it goes. As you can see, it stopped exactly at 34, which is awesome. And it did it in like 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go around my vehicle now and knock out all of them. It's also kind of nice that it shows the decimal here, so you can actually see it approaching the number that you want instead of it just being stuck on 33 and you don't really know if it's actually going up or not. So pop right off, doesn't spill any excess air. Screw it on and let's keep going. All right, guys, so just like that, I filled up all 4 of my tires in under, let's say, 4 minutes. The speed that this actually fills up the tires is faster than just about any portable air pump that I've actually tested. It still takes a decent amount of time, but it's quicker than most, and this is not getting hot. So one of the pros of it being so large is you could probably run this for a long amount of time before it overheats. Some of the smaller ones, if you fill up 4 tires, it's hard to touch. It's so hot, where I don't think that's gonna be the case with this one. Comes in this nice carrying case again. So if you wanna find the absolute latest model of this, I will have a link down below. Be sure to check that and make sure you're not getting something outdated. And thanks as always for watching Modern Reviews. Peace.